Oh, the international community, look what from us this calamity took. 1/3 of our country drowned. We have had this flood all around. Hundreds of people are helplessly died. For our loved ones we have cried. Millions are now under the open sky. With flood their homes are gone by. A loss for food, our kids are crying. From the diseases we are dying. Roads and infrastructure are now flooded. Have a look at us. We are muddied. We in dire straits are in need. Being thrown back decades indeed. A third world country can't survive alone. We can't get back at our own. We are in a misery, being helpless. You are all requested to please help us. Life in Pakistan is truly upset. Now please waive off our foreign debt. Now please waive off our foreign debt.